This weather kind of reminds me of like Washington with all these overcasts. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm here in Maricopa City touring in Amarillo Creek. We're going to be checking out Starlight Homes today. This is their Supernova Plan. It is a total of 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2,688 square feet, and it's going for only $405,000. Let's take a look. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Couple Vibes. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. Hey, if you're brand new to my channel, guys, I go around all the greater Phoenix area and I tour brand new construction communities. I tour model homes as well as move-in ready homes. And I also do area tours as well. So guys, if you're thinking about moving to Arizona, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction communities here in Arizona. So today I'm in Maricopa City touring in Amarillo Creek. Amarillo Creek is a combination of both Ashton Woods and Starlight Homes. I'm going to be touring Starlight Homes. This is their Supernova Plan just right behind me. It's a little bit overcast today, so I'm sorry if there's some wind. Stay tuned to the end of this video, guys. We're going to talk about the HOA, what this community has to offer, what's around this community, and all that good stuff. Okay, guys? So with that being said, let's get this home tour started. So outside, this is one of their exterior elevations. There's a total of 3 different style elevation, guys, okay? This is, again, the Supernova floor plan. There's another few floor plans that Starlight Homes has to offer. I'll go ahead and I'll put that on the screen for you, okay? But as we go up to the front door, there is a really nice front patio area that, you know, you can put double chairs there. Really nice stone elevation here as well. So really great seating area in the front patio area. As we go through the front door, guys, you have a standard 9-foot ceilings. And you have a nice den as you walk through the front door. So another good seating area, or, you know, if you have kids, this could be like another play area here for them as well, but really nice, really spacious. What I really love about this floor plan too, guys, is that they have a nice, you know, good sized bedroom downstairs. Okay. So if you have guests over or the in-laws, or, you know, someone who, you know, or even your office, realistically, it's on the main, and you also have a full bathroom also, okay? So that is right off of this bedroom. So here also in the garage, it is a 2-car garage, you know, very spacious, guys. Now, there is no soft water loop, okay? So that's one thing that, you know, I recommend in Arizona. Is it really necessary to get a water softener? No, I have some friends. I got some clients who does not, you know, have a water softener, but, you know, Arizona out here is hard water. So it, you know, it just feels better on your skin if you do get, you know, a soft water loop. So the water is more soft. Okay. Here is a storage closet, you know, where you can put, you know, more shoes, coats, and it goes straight into the main living space. So here is a really spacious living area. Okay, really nice, very big. You know, here is your TV connection here. Okay, but you can put a really good size sectional here, guys. This is carpet. You know, I know some of you guys might not like the carpet, but this is totally something that you can, you know, upgrade later down the road. Okay, but what's really nice about this floor plan is obviously open concept. So here is your huge kitchen. You know, really nice granite countertop here, very large kitchen. So if you like to cook, this is a really nice island, you know, for you. It is granite. You have a lot of shelvings too. Starlight Homes, they do not provide any handles. Okay, so but they're still really easy to open. Okay, guys, so that's one thing. You have a nice Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. Okay, washer, dryer, fridge, refrigerator. What's really nice too, guys, about Starlight Homes is they provide all the appliances. So you will see when we get into the laundry room, the washer, dryer is also included. Okay, here's your pantry. Okay, so they're still doing some work, but you can stow away your ladder and also your carpet, your underlayment. Thank you. That was my partner. Underlayment in your pantry. I'm just kidding, but good size pantry, guys. Okay, and so here's your eating area. All right, now the square footage is about 5,000 square feet. Okay, so you can see that you have this really nice still really nice backyard area, you know, very private. In this specific home, this Supernova, there is no neighbors in the back. There's like a green belt there in the back. But again, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, walkthroughs, the backyard is just plain, it's just bare, guys. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you want to go ahead and put some turf down or some landscaping, that's something that you're gonna have to do post closing. This is the patio area, you know, just enough to come out here and just grill. Okay, yeah, just enough to come out here and just grill. You could probably extend it later down in the future. Okay, but just a nice comfortable size area. You do have an outlet here, guys, so if you want to, like, you know, just connect your Christmas lights or anything like that, you know, there's an outlet right there. Okay, let's go back inside. Some other builders too, guys, they do not offer, or do they not, some of the homes does not come with some screens on the windows or also the slider screen. As you can see, that Starlight Homes does provide those for you. So that is awesome. Okay, so let's go upstairs. And if you're curious about what these tapes are, okay, such as this green one here, they also have some blue ones. Those are just the management team. They came in here, they saw some imperfections, and they're going to correct those. Okay, we'll get into that later on, like what a blue tape walkthrough is. But okay, so we just went upstairs, guys. Right off of the well, on top of the stairs, you do have your laundry room just right here. As you can see, there's a washer and dryer, Whirlpool appliances, which is really good. Okay, very spacious there. Here is a really nice size loft as well, guys. You could put a lot of seating area here. You can make this into your game room. You could just make this into a play area. Again, you do have that den downstairs. You do have a huge main living space, and you have this loft up here. Okay, so a lot of space for everyone. Here is a storage closet here for, you know, if you want to put some games, or if you want to use that for more storage, you have a storage closet there. This door is more storage, but this door will have your, you know, electrical for your cables or your security system and all that good stuff. Okay, so that's what that box is. So as you come up the stairs, you could either go right or left. Off to the right hand side, guys, is your primary suite. So let's go take a look at your primary suite. This is a very large primary suite, guys. Very, very spacious. Okay, so, you know, if you're trying to gauge and plan out, you know, you can either put your, you know, king size bed here up on this wall or up against that wall. See some mountain views there. A lot of natural lighting too. I don't have any lights on here. But a lot of natural lighting here. So yeah, very spacious. Coming to the primary bathroom, you do have a closet space here, or linen closet. Okay. You have a single vanity sink. All right, a lot of counter space here, a lot of cabinets there, stand-up shower there, toilet, and also a very comfortable size primary closet. Okay, we'll go ahead and take a look. Okay, so let's go ahead and go toward the other side of the house upstairs. So on this side, you have 3 bedrooms. Okay, here's one of the bedrooms here, and I'll go ahead and make sure to put the dimensions or link to the house so you can see the dimensions of these bedrooms. Okay, so you have 1 bedroom over there, guys. You do have a linen closet over here, which is really nice for, you know, towels, toiletries. And then you have another full bedroom here and the other 2 bedrooms. Okay, this bedroom does have a walk-in closet, so that's really nice. The other one over here on this side, this one also does have a walk-in closet. Okay, so really nice and spacious walk-in closet, as you can see there. All right, and how the shelving sits higher, so that way, you know, you could put some dressers here, you know, for additional, you know, storage for your clothes and whatnot. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, going into this bedroom, all the bedrooms, even downstairs, are all walk-in closets. So as you see, this one's also very spacious, guys. So that is really awesome. Okay, so how Starlight builds, guys. Starlight builds is a spec builder. Okay, so what that means is everything's already been predetermined from the elevation to the house that that lot is going to sit on. Everything's already been predetermined. Okay, they're not like a builder where there's some options. Okay, they release the homes usually just right after the framing stage. Okay, and right now this home is currently available. Okay, on all these homes too, they do have a promotional interest rate. So on this current home, they do have a 4.9 interest rate incentive. Okay, guys, all appliances are included with all their homes, so that's really awesome. All right, and also on top of that, they will give you $10,000 towards your closing costs. So literally, guys, you only have to come up with your down payment. You know, if you take a $405,000 home, you multiply that by, you know, a 0.035, that is your down payment, and that's literally all you have to come up with, because they're paying your closing costs. Or if you do go with the USDA option, sometimes you know, that's covered with that's 0% down. Okay, so literally you could get this house for nothing out of pocket. Okay, if you qualify. Okay, guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, just as a refresher, guys, this home is 2,688 square feet. You do have that one bedroom on the main with a full bath. Okay, and then the other 4 bedrooms are upstairs. All right, it does have a den, a nice generous sized loft upstairs, and also the main living area, guys. So really, really beautiful home. Okay, this is their Supernova Plan, and it's currently going for $405,000. Okay, so Starlight Homes are all spec builders, guys. So there's no options that you can do to kind of modify. You know, everything's already been predetermined from the exterior elevations to the interior finishes, guys. Everything's already been predetermined. Okay, as far as interest rates, incentives, and also the HOA, you know, schools, go ahead and check the description below. I'll include that all in the description below for you guys to check out. Okay, if you like this video, guys, definitely make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. It'll definitely you know, help this channel a lot. I'll go ahead and I'll tour some of the other floor plans here in you know, Amarillo Creek that Starlight Homes has to offer, guys. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.